Hello.
Josh, are you supposed to be inside the room?
Yes, sir.
So why are you not? Why are you here?
Because I need to record this room tour.
What? Yeah, are you trying to lock it? You're gonna lock it?
Hello, Igor.
Hello, Josh.